What a beautiful morning.
Emergency announcement.
What the world? What in the name of New Dad?
Great Scott!
What's going on? It is 7 o'clock in the morning.
We interrupt this time when you're waking up with a special bulletin. According to New Dad scientists, a virus was cracked open at a private laboratory and advises everyone to stay indoors or it may turn people into zombies.
Wait, it just said only humans. At least the radio didn't mention engines.
Including engines.
Dang it, Chad!
Oh, me and my big mouth. We should probably stay in the sheds.
But we're running low on coal, fuel, and water.
How is that possible?
Don't look at me, I'm still punished from burning coal. Also, I don't run on fuel.
We can't just stay here all day. What if the outbreak gets worse?
Breaking news! The outbreak just got worse.
Dang it, Chad!
Alright, Japers, why do I have to talk about things that'll be worse?
Well, at least there's a chance Mr. Grant is dead from the zombies by now. Oh, it's too cold! You better warm this up for 50 seconds or you'll end up like him.
Wolf? What's the matter? Do I stir my plate? Yes, I think he means that.
Should we run for our lives?
Yes, let's.
Hey guys.
Will said you're alive?
Yeah, I'm alive. Hey, who's that green man?
A zombie, you idiot!
What's a zombie? Just leave him here, he'll find out for himself. Hey, can I come with you? Oh, I killed him. Wait, what's killing?
Oh my golly gee. What is it? Brian, I don't think you might want to look at this. What do you mean? Brains. Oh no, not my Pepe! Pepe? What?
Nothing.
It's okay as long as Aaron and Boris aren't infected.
Why?
Well, because they're the strongest engines on the railway, so taking them down as zombies would basically be impossible.
Dang it, Chad!
Well, looks like I'll meet y'all in heaven.
Ah! Oh, it was just a dream.
It was just a dream.
I said that.
What are you two getting traumatized about? We don't want to talk about it. Jinx!
Ugh.
Hey, Brian, check Pete now.
Well, someone doesn't like my costume. Happy Halloween!
Also, Morris, why did you say Jaden's catchphrase in this video?
Well, someone has to say it when Jaden's not in a video. Also pays them back for hogging the spotlight.
I heard that!